Here is a Carroway EF-100 ceiling fan from the early to mid 80s. And I've been asked quite a few questions of what the amperage is. The amperage is 0.68 amps. And this thing has a little bit of vibration noise, but that's because it's missing the suppressor up there on the bracket. I have it, but it's like shot. And then I stuck the two wires. I don't know if those are the right ones, but I'm pretty sure they are. Stuck that off of the light. And then there's the old Emperor that used to be right there. And there's some Laguna blades. And that. And here's high. You can hear the noise a little bit. Wobbles for a second and it goes away. Still wobbles, but not that much. You can tell by the chain. Doesn't wobble much to where to be concerned about, though. It sure does go. You can tell by the air movement. It's a good, powerful fan. It was powerful when it had the Laguna blades on it, too. Yeah. Here's medium. I mean, a lot of the noises on medium. You can hear it. And then I'm going to be getting a little one, 36-inch version. I'm going to put it right there. So that way I have little brother and big brother in the same exact room. Yeah, it's pretty loud on medium. Yeah, no, and that's not windings. That's the bracket, because it wasn't like that at the stairway. So don't blow my comments up saying that it's the motor, because it's not. And here's low. See? And it shuts right up because it doesn't run that much. And you can see it's wobbling pretty bad, but it'll cool down. Yep, see? It stops. You can still feel a little bit of breeze on low. And off. If I did coast downtime, it'd be a 6-minute video, and I don't plan on doing that. Oh yeah, and I don't know if y'all noticed, it says it's on updraft, but somebody has switched the switch around. So now the switch goes up, but the fan actually goes down. It's a pretty big fan for this room, as far as blade width goes, but it's on an 8-foot ceiling, and I'm only like what, 5'10" or something like that. But I'm happy to get the fan I wanted up there. That's all it matters about, right? Right. There we go. Then y'all can see it. Ta-da! Well, that does it for this video. Until next time.